Hi, my name is Joe Powell, a technology-focused trainer with the ITAM Academy. Welcome to our 2-minute tech tips for IT asset management professionals. In this episode, we will look at a few things to consider when choosing an ITAM toolset. ITAM tools collect and display data for you to include in your organization's ITAM practice through the processes and people you already have in place. If you already have a tool or are looking for one for the first time, the main question to ask is, what are your goals? And not just now, but in 6 months and then beyond. Because this will form the backbone of your tool selection. You want a tool to meet these changing needs as your ITAM practice matures. When you understand your goals, reach out to vendors of ITAM tools, and while they'll tell you their tools do it all, ask to see each of your goals clearly demonstrated in a product demo. And then ask how much human interaction is needed to get to that point in the demo. This is because the demo's data is set up from the start, whereas you'll be starting from scratch. So, in summary, the key in tool selection is to be clear on your goals and make sure you get evidence from any vendor you choose that they can meet these goals within the constraints of your processes and people capabilities. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time for more 2-minute tech tips from the ITAM Academy.